I managed to make more than $100 in just my first month of joining RedBubble, and this is how. Firstly, I had to get some designs, and the best place to find designs with proper critiques would be Reddit. Now, the niche isn't that important because there will be competition everywhere. Once I had got some designs, I just replicated them, and depending on the type of design, I changed its color and positioning. That's it. But I made sure that the designs look clean and minimal. And now for the main part, that was to optimize it using tags. This is the most important step. So what I did was I used a RedBubble Tag Generator that had helped me generate tags related to my niche. And I selected these tags relevant to my product niche and pasted it onto RedBubble. On my third day, I got my first sale. Now all that was left was to rinse and repeat. I did this and got tired after uploading 33 designs, nearly 33, and I just left it. To be honest, I actually forgot about this until I updated my Gmail app and I just got barraged with hundreds of RedBubble sale emails. So here the main key takeaway is to find good designs and replicate them. Then just optimize it and organically you will definitely make sales like how I did. And by the way, mine was completely organic and there was no Pinterest traffic or something. It was 100% a RedBubble. So if I as a newbie was able to do it, then you definitely will be able to. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try my best to answer them.